Just got back from our first Global Sales Summit meeting in Phuket, Thailand. Wow, what an experience. It's a different type of business model here, where everyone from the founders to each department head are fully accessible, where everyone is invested and everyone is here to help. We worked together and spent the majority of the time on the island together. Now that's a little different. Of course there was an agenda, but the conviction of a specific topic steered the focus and direction of the conversation. Animated discussions, fueled by passion and conviction. This is not for the weak, sports fans, and there was no 9 to 5. It was more like 9 to 10, or 11, or 2 a.m. We worked hard and we played hard. The first 2 days were dedicated to our business. The summit opened with our founders, giving us perspective on our previous year's journey and our direction for the next 5 years. We each were tasked with presentations and were grilled by our peers to tighten up our product knowledge and our skill sets. In between each presentation, each department head gave presentations on the status of their respective departments. The product team introduced our next generation of AXS Plus series readers. Unbelievable. And guys, I still think 4 chassis finishes, 7 chassis colors, and unlimited glass color options is not too much. These new readers are phenomenal, and the non-QR version are smaller and thinner than an iPhone. I cannot wait to showcase them on the IDCube Minute. We brainstormed processes and formulated our strategy for the coming years. Laughed, shared life stories and experiences, shared meals, and went on a string of adventures on the last day of the summit, where we pet and walked with Bengal Tigers, hiked to the top of the Big Buddha statue, and spent the remainder of the day letting loose on the yacht, sliding, and jumping off into the ocean. It was truly a soul-shifting experience, and I'm proud to have a seat on the IDCube train. Ultimately, the IDCube family is proud to bring you the most advanced, cost-effective, cyber-hardened, open, AI-driven access control platform and suite of native business apps with mobile and sustainable credentialing options available in the marketplace today. We would like to show you how our feature-rich portfolio of solutions will make your facilities more secure, smarter, safer, and efficient, the IDCube way. Should you have any questions or are interested in becoming a partner, feel free to reach out at any time. Our next IDCube Minute will feature our own sustainable credentials dynamic QR, which is now being rebranded as QRify. Until then, be well.